Hi everyone, it's me Gian and welcome to my vlog. Today I am going to do a review on the Luxe Organix Miracle Repair Luminous Bright Serum. It has niacinamide, vitamin E, and licorice extract. It promises to fade acne and dark spots, brighten skin, and helps control sebum. At the side, you're going to see that it says here 2 times boost serum. So it's supposed to have 2 times the effect of a regular serum. Is that it? I don't know, but we shall see. At the back, it says Luxe Organix Miracle Repair Luminous Bright Serum is enriched with niacinamide and licorice extracts that help fade dark spots and pigmentation caused by acne, while it increases collagen production to help improve the skin's barrier. With the powerful benefits of vitamin E to fight free radicals, skin becomes healthier with every use. So it evens out skin tone for brighter skin, fades acne and dark spots, helps control sebum or oiliness sa mukha, then helps to reduce the look of enlarged pores. So fortunately, God has been good to us. So good to us. Medyo wala, except for this. I don't know why, pero nagbe-breakout ako ngayon. You see, 1, 2, 3. Probably the most that I've had for years. And to use this, you only need to apply a thin layer to clean face after putting on toner and before heavier creams. Gently pat your face until product has been fully absorbed. And if we are using this, we are supposed to wear sunscreen during the day as niacinamide increases sun sensitivity. If you're going to take a closer look at the back, I'm gonna put a photo here. You will see that niacinamide is actually the second ingredient. And this is what I like about it, because as I've told you in my previous review for this snail white, which promises to have niacinamide and vitamin C, the niacinamide is written... Gosh. Naduduling ako. Naduduling ako. I can't find it. Third line na ako. Wait. Snail citric. Ewan ko. Hydroxy. Lactobacillus. Root. To be honest, no. I'm also gonna give you a closer pic of this one. I don't know, maybe my alternative name for niacinamide, there's an alternative name for niacinamide, but right now I can't find it anywhere here. But I'll zoom it in for you para kayo na lang maghanap. So this means if niacinamide is even present in this sachet, very minute yung amount. However, this one is a second product. Okay? However, you see the packaging, ganito siya, and you will see that the hole is huge. See? The hole is huge, but this one is watery. Oops, oops. Tingnan nyo, sayang. And this is expensive, pero liquid siya. So, nagbugrit. Spilled out. You see what I mean? So, if hindi ka careful, you're gonna be wasting the product. Let me put it on my face. Sayang. So really, I don't know, i-repack mo, repackage it, para hindi. Kasi this is even my second or third time na napalagi akong nasasayangan. So what I do is, this is the trick that I do. But you also have to be careful. There you go. By the way, nag-toner na ako. I just sprayed myself with this one. Tomato Glass Skin by Fresh Lab. Because I'm kind of lazy right now, so nag-spray lang ako. And this is my nighttime skincare routine. So this is how I try to use this niacinamide. I think isang sachet is around 200 pesos. Pero imagine, nasasayang lang because it's too liquidy. Look. Look how fast it runs on my face. So you have to fight against gravity. So right now, I'm trying to develop this habit of not skipping my neck. Kasi nakakalimutan ko na these days to take care of my neck. But, eto yung unang place na will show signs of aging. So there goes. You know what's good about niacinamide? Niacinamide is a good serum to put in before your retinol or retinoids because it helps increase your tolerance to retinoids. And niacinamide is anti-inflammatory. It's an antioxidant. I'm reading right now, It regulates sebum production or yung production ng oil. So that's why you see here, right? Helps control sebum and boosts the collagen production of your skin. So it helps you with your punggod, your pimples, your acne as well. And the licorice lightens your skin and lightens or brightens your skin. That's how the licorice works on your skin. And let's see, where's the licorice part? I don't know kung asan dito ang licorice part, but anyway, I bought this for the niacinamide part, so knowing that it's one of the top ingredients here makes me happy. And the vitamin E, as we all know, is an antioxidant and just brightens your skin and makes it soft and supple. So will I buy this again? Yes, definitely. I will buy this again. Do I like the packaging? No. Nasasayangan ako. If you're not familiar na ganito pala siya, it would really easily spill. Masasayangan kayo. So I suggest repackage it. Find another way of packaging this. I haven't checked sa Watsons if they have another packaging. So if they have another packaging, it would have been better. Like for example, this one, Luxe Organix eye cream. So tingnan nyo. Small ang hole. So this works well for me. Ganyan na. See? Small hole. I think I won't be wasting a lot of product if siguro ganyan. Or kaya linagay sa eyedropper. So that's it, guys, and that's definitely a good product for me. I am now going to go ahead and use my retinol. I'm using Deferin, and that is 1%. And ewan ko what's wrong with these metallic thingies. you know, as it ages, may mga sariling portals na sila. My skin is dry, by the way, now. The perfect way or the best time to put your retinol is when your skin is dry. So, got my skin prepped with my skin was prepped with niacinamide serum, and now we are putting on our retinol. If you can see, I either pat my skin or use these two fingers because these are more gentle on the skin, and patting it is also more gentle on the skin. And I'm leaving a a little amount of retinol on my eyes. The place that I often neglect, my neck. Baka my face will look so young, but my neck would look like a turkey's neck. We don't want that. So we have to improve. And all the excess at the back of our hands. Because these are also areas in your body that ages fast. And yes, di ko to huhugasan for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you like and share and binge watch on my videos and help me reach 1,500 subscribers. Thank you so much. Bye bye.